It's Christmas time. Punny and I are going to use our Christmas fruit mints to make mini Christmas cakes.
We're using fruit mints, brandy, plain flour, cooking spray, butter, bicarbonate of soda, eggs, and about 12 1-cup jars with lids.
Preheat your oven to 140 degrees Celsius. Spray your jars lightly with cooking spray.
Lightly beat 3 eggs. Melt 185 grams of butter in the microwave on low heat. Measure out 225 grams of plain flour and put it into the sifter.
Add 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda.
Place 4.5 cups of Christmas fruit mints into a large bowl. Add the eggs. Add the melted butter when it is cooled off a little. Mix everything really well.
Sift in the flour and bicarbonate of soda. If you don't have a sifter, you can use a fine mesh strainer. Mix everything well. Carefully put the mixture into the jars. Fill them halfway.
Make sure the surface of the mixture is flat. Tidy the inside and the outside of the jars. Put the jars onto a tray and cook them in the oven for about an hour, or until the toothpick comes out clean. When you poke it into the cake mixture, ours took for 45 minutes to cook.
Take the jars out of the oven. Drizzle each cake with 2 teaspoons of brandy. Put the lid on tightly straight away. Let the jars cool down and your mini Christmas cakes are ready.
You can keep mini Christmas cakes in the cupboard for about a week or in the fridge for about 2 weeks. They will last longer if you sterilize jars. You can find out how to sterilize them online.
These mini Christmas cakes can be served hot or cold, topped with ice cream or custard. You can heat them in the microwave if you like. Just make sure you remove the lids first. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.